Who makes your payday possible? We all know it is our customer. Any organization or the position exists in organization, it is because of customer. And we are here to provide the services, product required by our customer. In such kind of a scenario, we need to ensure the customer-centric approach is prevailing in the organization. Organization needs to adopt a culture of customer centricity. Today, I am going to share the 3 points that would help you to bring in that customer centricity and also explain that with an example from a street side vendor where I experienced this. Even you will go to any business universities, you may not get that kind of an education. Number 1, ensure you provide 10x value to the customer. What is it? Customer is paying value X to you. As organization, as individual in the organization, we must ensure we provide the 10x value to the customer. Customer at the end of it should feel there is a value for money and he is or she is so happy that the services provided by you is meeting his requirement and exceeding his expectations. So that is where you have to understand how you create that 10x value to the customer. That is the number 1 point. Everyone needs to work on it. The number 2 is feedback. Feedback has got 2 components. One is annually you do a survey, obtain a customer feedback or a transaction feedback. Today many of us work on the e-commerce platform which is available. Immediately after someone availing the services, you should be able to obtain that feedback. Customer feedback plays a key role in ensuring the customer stays with you. All of us know how difficult it is to enroll a customer to take your product or services. Retaining the customer is an important activity. For that, the feedback mechanism is an important thing. We need to work on it and ensure we have the constant feedback from our customer so that we are able to provide the services as per the changing requirements of the customer. The third and final point is add value to the customer by way of understanding their processes and system. It is not you go and deliver what customer is asking. Initial stages, it may start with that. You need to engage conversation with customer, make an effort to understand the customer business and help him how they can do better by way of availing your services, also providing them the industry input to the customer so that they can work and add more value to their customers. These are the 3 points one need to work for ensuring the customer centricity. As I said, retaining customer is most important thing rather than you acquiring new customer. Many of us know for getting one customer, we may have to go and talk to 5 people or 10 people. It is 1:5 or 1:10. Sometimes it may go more than that as well. The effort of getting a new customer is more retaining the existing customer is easier job. Here, I would like to draw an example, my experience with a fruit vendor who is near my home. Whenever I go there, he always welcomes me with a smile. And out of joy, he goes and start telling me which is the fruit is fresh, which is the fruit tastes better. All of us know mango, apple or any of those fruits, the taste varies from cultivation to cultivation. Many times, if possible, you always used to give a sample of that fruit for us to taste, then buy it. As a fruit vendor, he did not have to do it. He can display all the fruits, whatever fruit you like, and he measure and can give it to you. Why he goes out of the way to do it? It is he wants to create that 10x value to you. Always wants to give the best of the fruits to you. And he wants you to come back again and again to his shop. By way of giving the information, he is adding value to choose the right kind of a fruit which you can relish and enjoy. A fruit vendor on the street, when he can do building an organization and giving services, we need to have those processes and system that help us to deliver the 10x value to the customer, constantly take feedback and understanding their internal processes and system by way of adding more value to the customer product to make the customer successful, then you are successful and your business is 100% assured. Are you ready to make your customer always happy?